What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I apologize if I haven't uploaded anything in a while. It's been crazy with school, work, and I didn't even have time. I don't have time to work on the car. But today, we're gonna install something real quick, an air filter, and then we're gonna meet up with the team later. So I'll try to record some of a clip later on. So right now we're just waiting for the car to cool down a little bit. It should be pretty quick. It's like 40 degrees out here in New York. So I got this. I got this K&N washable filter, air filter, blue to match with my blue accents, and also we have these adapters. Right over here. They're all pretty cheap. I'll put a link down below in the description. But right now, my engine bay is pretty dirty. Haven't really cleaned it, so don't roast me, guys. And if you can see right here, we just sprayed. We just made a quick video on a Motor Quartz Halloween theme. It's pretty sick. It's washable paint, don't worry. It looks nice. And hopefully we don't get pulled over later on once we roll out. Okay, first things first, we use the flathead screwdriver to unhook one of the clips that's attached to the housing of the OEM intake filter. And we also unhook the other two that's attached to it, as you can see it right here. Moving on, we are using an 8mm wrench to unbolt the screws that's holding the hose and the adapter and connecting to the intake housing as well. And as you can see, we're unscrewing them. We're also using the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew 3 of the screws that's attached to the adapter of the OEM intake. And this is, once everything is out, make sure to lube the right side and make sure to push the adapter to the hose really tight. Make sure it's really tight so you wouldn't get it unattached, unhooked, or whatever the case may be. And we'll be using the 8mm wrench to tighten it up. Make sure the adapter is in right good spot in place so we could just simply reattach all the wirings, all connections back together. And also we took off the screws that came with the adapter, since we will be using the OEM ones that from where we took it off. And yeah, once everything is all in place, we'll be reconnecting the wire that was connected to the OEM intake filter. And we're putting all of the screws back in, as you can see. Make sure to keep it nice and tight, so when you start driving, nothing will come off. Once everything's nice and tight, we are ready to install the K&N filter. We're just gonna have to loosen it up a little bit. And once we do that, we are ready to attach it into the adapter. It's right over here, as you can see. We're doing it right now. And once it's all in place, we are ready to tighten everything up. So it's based on your preference. It's either you want to use the flathead screwdriver or the 8mm ones. And as you can see, we use the 8mm ones, or I believe it's 6mm. I'm not quite sure, but that depends on the sizing of the bolt itself, or screwdriver. I mean the screw that came with the filter. Once everything is nice and tight, don't worry guys, it's just loose like that. It's not gonna come off or anything. We've done that with one of my friend's car, and at first he thought it was gonna come off too, just like I did when we were doing this. And for the last step, we're just gonna tighten up everything with the host again. Make sure all connections are nice and tight and secure as well, and we won't have any problem along the road. Once the installation of the K&N filter is done, make sure to go back on the bolts and screws you undo. Make sure they're all connected, well secure, just as we are showing on the video. And now we are ready to hear some test revs.